Hey there, car enthusiast. Welcome back to Prince Automobile Clinic, your go-to destination for all things automotive. I'm your host, and today we are diving into the fascinating world of car transmissions. Before we kickstart things off, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our exciting automotive content. Alright, let's get into it. Now, transmissions come in different flavors. My friends, we've got the classic manual, the smooth shifting automatic, and the advanced continuously variable transmission, or CVT. Each has its own unique quirks and advantages. So let's explore the inner workings of these mechanical marvels. Have you ever experienced that derided slipping or grinding sensation while shifting gears? Well, those are just a couple of the warning signs that your transmission might need some TLC. From strange noises to delayed engagement, we'll uncover the common red flags to watch out for. Stay tuned. Want to keep your transmission running like a well-oiled machine? It's all about proper maintenance. My friends, first and foremost, never underestimate the importance of fresh transmission fluid. We'll share the expert tips on checking fluid levels, when to replace it, and how to schedule regular inspections to catch any potential issues before it become major headaches. Alright, my fellow gearheads, if you want to dive deeper into transmission maintenance and troubleshooting, head over to AutoProTalks, our podcast dedicated to all things automotive. We've got lively discussions, expert interviews, and helpful tips to keep you in the driver's seat of your car's transmission health. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. That wraps up our transmission talk today, folks. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more informative content like this, make sure to like, comment, and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. Stay tuned for our next automotive adventure. See you soon. Remember, for all automotive needs, visit Prince Automobile Clinic. We are here to keep you cruising smoothly on the road. Until next time, drive safe, keep those transmissions shifting like a dream.